Welcome to this short video on how to log into your NHS app using ORB Connect, which will enable you to easily access and navigate your NHS GP records. Whether you're new to ORB Connect or a returning user, you start by clicking the link on Patient Info's page, which will take you to a login screen, where you select Continue to NHS Login. Enter the email address that you use to log in to the NHS app and click Continue. Enter your password and select Continue. Finally, enter your two-factor authentication code and press Continue. This will bring you to the ORB homepage, where you can access your NHS records and check them for completeness by clicking the Medical Record button. You can also access your records by clicking the NHS button in the left-hand navigation. You will be able to access the same information held in your NHS app. If your record is not complete, please watch the video Your NHS app. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see that you are connected to ORB Connect via Patient Info. By clicking on Profile, you can view your user profile screen, where you can manage your personal information, data sharing settings, and more. If you select the NHS Account tab, you can unlink your account should you wish to no longer access it via ORB Connect. You can do this at any time. The Data Sharing tab takes you to a screen where you are able to select whether you wish to share any of your NHS records. You remain in control of this at all times. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it has been helpful.